Hey everybody. So today we have a little project we have to take a look at. And we have an electrical panel here that we have no heat or thermostat activity on 3 units in this particular condo. I've kind of brought my voltage tester today. We're going to check the voltage. I brought a spare breaker in case it's the breaker. But we're suspect of this breaker right up here, all right? Now this doesn't have a main disconnect, which means that must probably be outside someplace. And I'm not going to shut the main off anyway. What I'm going to do is we're going to remove the face of this panel to start with, okay? So I'm just putting gloves on, just for the sake of putting gloves on. No other reason. It's not going to protect me from anything. But if you're not comfortable working around electrical panels, don't. All right, just don't do it. So the reason I'm taking the panel off of here is so I can get at the contacts to actually test the circuit. Now, I need a flathead screwdriver, which I've got a couple in here. I've got a couple. So we're going to just take this panel down. I've had this panel off before, but it's been years since I've done it. There's one. There's two. There's three. And then the last one, and then we'll pull the panel off. And there's 4. Okay? And there's the inside of our panel. Okay? So, I was suspecting this breaker right here as being the problem. Okay? That's what I'm suspecting of being the problem. If I turn it off, turn it on, we don't get anything happening. So now, I want to take my tester and test it. And I'm going to start by testing a good breaker that I know is good. All right. So let me position this a little bit better. And we'll get it up on the. I'm going to put it on the dryer. And then we'll focus you guys in a little better. Almost done. Okay. Let's get you positioned over here so you can see a little better. Like that, okay? That's gonna be good. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna test a good breaker. And to do that, I'm going to turn this on to voltage. Okay, and we're going to put the leads on both sides of a good breaker. And we'll test this one here. One there, one here. And that's reading 216. So that's a 220 breaker, okay? This one up here, we're reading 216 on a 220 breaker. 216 on a 220 breaker. And this is probably, that's 220 as well, okay? That's the dryer. Oh no, stove, that's the stove. So now I want to jump over here and I want to test my other breakers, okay? So I'm only interested in testing the 220 breakers. I know the electric heat is working, electric hot water heater is working, that's that breaker. So the next breaker I have to test is this one over here. We're gonna get up in here. And that's testing 0. That's testing 0. So that means that breaker is probably bad, but I really want to stick my head in there to make sure that we're exactly on those leads. So I'm going to end up probably blocking you, and I apologize in advance for that, but that's the only way I can really test it. I gotta get close. Okay, I gotta get close. So I'm going to take one step up here. And we're going to test this breaker. All right? I just want to get in my line of sight here so I know I'm touching the leads. All right? We need to be right here and right here. And that's testing good. That is testing good. Okay. So I'm not really sure what happened here, but that tests good. So there's no need to replace that breaker. No need to replace it. And let's test this one too. Yep, they're all 216, so they're all good. So that means I don't know what happened. Hang on a second.